The Shapeys, the Shapeys, the Shapeys are here for you.
Hello. In this video you can be with me as I go to school. Come on, let's go.
On school days, Boo gets out of bed in plenty of time to catch the school bus.
Good morning. I am ready to go.
After a shower, Boo gets dressed and cooks breakfast for everyone.
I check my school timetable to remind myself of what I am doing in the day.
Says Boo.
I have put all of my school books into my bag.
Says Boo. Boo is now ready for school.
I wave goodbye and leave the house.
Boo waits at the bus stop for the school bus to arrive. On the school bus, Boo talks with his friends, or Mimi and Gaga. In the classroom, the teacher takes the register. Boo raises his hand when the teacher calls his name. Boo is getting ready for his lesson. From his bag he takes out a pencil sharpener, and a ruler. The teacher hands out a folder, some glue, a magazine and scissors. The lesson starts.
For this lesson, please cut out pictures of food from the magazine and stick them onto the paper,
said the teacher. At lunchtime, Boo eats his lunch from a lunchbox.
I am having a great day,
says Boo. After eating, Boo plays football on the school playing field. After the lunch hour, Boo has a lesson on the computer.
I like using the school computer,
says Boo. At the end of the lessons, the Shapeys get on the school bus. They talk excitedly about their great school day. Boo has now arrived home and is in his bedroom. He thinks of the words about school he has used today. Can you remember these words from the video? School bus, classroom, teacher, register. Pencil, pencil sharpener, ruler, glue stick, scissors, magazine, folder. Lunchbox and school computer.
Thanks for watching. Thank you, friend.
Thanks
See
for
you
watching.
in the next video.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.